So, Peter, you've got a leaky tap. I will show you how to change your washer on the leaky tap. Here is the leaky tap. You try to switch it off and it keeps on dripping. You will need a monkey wrench. Okay? No, Peter, you do not need a lump hammer. That will go nowhere. Let's get under that sink, Peter, and get to just below that ball joint. That is the nut that you want to release with the monkey wrench. Let's do that now. Turn the monkey wrench 2 turns anti-clockwise, Peter. Geez, Peter, I told you to turn off the water main. Now listen to me, Peter. Peter, go and turn up the water main downstairs. It's under the big sink. I don't believe this. Peter, you have broken the water main pipe. Go and call an emergency plumbing handyman. Peter. Oh, Peter.